could you do this?
It was all a lie.
It was real. What we had was real. I know it was.
Things I said, I just needed you to trust me. That's all.
No, I know your story. You were a good person and you still are. You just made a mistake.
I left them! That's right. I lied to you. I only made a deal with you to get myself out of that miserable life. I left my sister, my mother, alone.
If you really thought you could escape what you are, what you did, you betrayed your own family. You left them behind.